आणि खास करून जे सिनियर मेंबर्स आसात जांकां प्रोसिजर खबर आसा सगळो ताणें लक्षांत दवरपा जाय. अलेक्सा सारको मनीस जो दुसरे फावटी आमदार म्हणून निवडून आयिल्लो आसा तांच्या सारक्यांनी हें लक्षांत दवरपाक जाय. फुडले फावटी अशे प्रश्न विचारपाचे टाळचे आणि लेजिस्लेटिव्ह सेक्रेटरिएटांनी हाजी दखल घेवन इश्यू करपाचें.
I want to
Mr.
say
Speaker,
something on
sir,
that.
one minute, Mr. Speaker,
want
sir.
to-
रुलिंगाचेर कांय उलोवपाची गरज ना. यू आस्क युअर
One
क्वेश्चन.
side at least you listen.
There is
Mr.
nothing.
Speaker, sir,
Ruling
this has
chair
become
मध्ये
the
काय
property of the House now.
त्याच रुलिंगाचेर काय उलोवपाची गरज ना. सांगात प्रश्न विचार.
Speaker sir.
It's the property of the House. The minister has to reply.
नो आय रिक्वेस्ट ही इज आन्सरिंग दॅट. फुडें लक्षांत घेवचें म्हणूनच हांवें रुलींग दिल्लें आसा.
लक्षात घेता 15 क्वेश्चन आहे ती मातशें वाडोवया because that will solve the problem.
तूं हाजेर उलय.
Ajay उलयता. Speaker sir, I am asking him a question. What was the representation that came to him on 11/9? What did it consist? What was the representation about? Only that much. How many members signed? I want to know what was the representation, how many members signed, and whether they were elected representatives.
Speaker, sir. Proposal of Margam Municipal Council dated 31/05/2013 was received on 03/06/13 along with a copy of the resolution of the council meeting certificate that the works are not carried out earlier by any other department or agency files along with technical sanctions. हे आमच्याकडे proposal पहिली येयल्लो.
I'm asking you, what was the complaint? I'm not asking you previous.
Itun-
Answer to the point.
इथून थोड्या नगरसेवकांनी कंप्लेन दिली डायरेक्टराक की बाबा ही कामां डुप्लिकेट जातात तेज्या खातीर हो टेंडर बंद करचो म्हणून. 11 मेंबरांनी हेजेर सही मारलेली. पे कंप्लेन दिला तितून 11 नगरसेवकांनी सही मारलेली आणि कंप्लेन दिल्ली की चुकीची कामां टेंडर जाल्या म्हणून.
Speaker sir,
तुका
elected
संदी मेळटली उलोवपाक.
Speaker sir, elected member and representation केलें आणि तें चुकीचें म्हण. When an elected representative gives a representation, he is a elected representative, he is not ordinary person. What action he took? He said that he sent it for verification. First and foremost, jenna elected representative in yelo, it casts aspersions on him only. He is the minister. When a representation come, he should first halt the tender. He should stall the tender. Ek minute,
Yes, sir.
Kabagota. I am giving you time to answer. So what I am saying is, the moment it comes, you should have first stopped it, conducted inquiry, and then process. Not right and then procedure kale korpacha nahi.
स्पीकर सर, स्थानिक स्वराज संस्था आर्टिकल 74 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया सांगता सगळे पावर जे आहा पळय टेंडरिंग प्रोसेस नगरपालिका करता. नगरपालिका जेन्ना टेंडर करता टेंडराचेर कितें तरी कंप्लेन येयली बंद कोणें करचो पडलो नगरपालिकानूच करपाचो. चीफ ऑफिसराक डायरेक्शन दिलें हेजेर चवकशी कर म्हणून कंप्लेनाचेर कितें वायट केलें. चीफ ऑफिसरान रिपोर्ट दिले पण त्याच्यावरून कारवाई जातली.
Speaker sir, the person who is in charge is doing some blunder. He is the minister. Minister and direction किती दिवपाक जाय? Only to inquiry. Minister बोले कित्याक दिलें? Because he is not listening. Went to minister.
बिकॉज सर
एक
कंप्लेन
minute,
बरोबर हा
एक
की ना
minute,
चेक
एक minute,
करपा नाका.
एक minute. Complaint कित्याक हा न्ही? This is clear cut connivance. It should not happen. Once you are the minister, you should give clear cut direction.
Because sir, I am
Baba, it should
objecting
stop.
to the word
You
connivance.
object. You object.
Let him show connivance.
See, I am making a charge. Let him say that it is right. Say that I
No,
did
let,
procedure.
let him withdraw that charge.
No,
He
I
cannot
am
make a
not-
charge like
I
that.
am not withdrawing. I am saying that. But second question. Now he says, I am saying that second. I am making one more statement. In this appointment of that Nagar Sekar म्हणतो रिटायर झाला. एक कलेक्टर हांडोला तेजे बॉब पडटा ते जाल्याचे अगरवालाचेर. आता हेका हु इज रिटायर्ड 2 years.
हांव सांगता तुवें जो शब्द वापरलो बॉब हो हांगासर ना अशें म्हटलेलें आसा हाजे फुडें वापरूं नाका. फुडें
म्हटलो
शब्द काडून उडोवपाचो आसता.
एलिगेशन काढून उडोवचें.
Speaker sir,
आस्क युअर क्वेश्चन.
asking my question. It is a fact. Anyway, body resolution
No,
nasana.
sir, I'm still objecting. It is a fact, he says. Let him prove it.
Speaker sir,
हांगासर उलोवपाक गावता म्हणून कितें उलोवचें नासता. स्पीकर सर
I have a right to speak, and you have a right to object.
You don't have a right to
object.
speak nonsense.
You object. Nobody stopped your right of objecting, Speaker sir.
Speaker
You
sir,
object.
Speaker sir, you have given a ruling that the word should be expunged. You have already given a ruling.
So you.
It will be
Speaker-
expunged.
Yeah, you Speaker. Why
Yeah.
he is getting excited? I don't know. Speaker sir, body resolution नासतना appointment केले. Appointment कोणा केले? एक officer who has retired 2 years back. The officer actually post lapse zala. I have asked a question whether the post has lapsed. I asked a question on what whether it is legal. Post lapse जाय नासतना जेन्ना post lapse जालो DMA resolution municipality resolution नासतना proposal धाडलो governmentan approval केलो मसायला. I want to ask whether that post was valid, was in fact updated by ARD again, was simply given government gave approval.
Speaker sir, काही कारणा खातीर पोस्ट ऑफ अकाउंट्स कम एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफिसर नगरपालिकाचो लॅप्स जालो. नगरपालिकान रिक्वेस्ट केलो की हो पोस्ट टेम्पररी बेसीस आमकां भरपाक दी म्हणून. सरकारान तांकां परवानगी दिली टेम्पररी बेसीस 3 म्हयन्यांक भरपाक दिवपाचो. भाशेन तांकां भरपाक दिला.
Speaker sir, resolution हाडलें municipality resolution हाडलें.
Speaker
Without
sir,
resolution can anybody ask? Body is there, body has to decide any post. Resolution was there.
स्पीकर सर, जेन्ना अर्ज ऑन टेम्पररी बेसीस येता पळय तेन्ना जेन्ना आमी नगर अध्यक्ष जावं चीफ ऑफिसर आमचे कडेन मागणी करता ही टेम्पररी गरज आसता नगरपालिकाची. म्हणटकच आमी मान्य करता कितें नगर अध्यक्ष आसता पळय तो कावन्सिलाचो अध्यक्ष तेजी मागणी आमी पूर्ण करता. सादो मनीस न्हू तो, क्लार्क न्हू, नगर अध्यक्ष मागता, चीफ ऑफिसर चीफ एक्झिक्युटिव्ह ऑफिसर मागता, हे रिस्पॉन्सिबल लोक मागतात तेन्ना आमी हे अर्ज मान्य करतात.
Speaker sir, without
Vijay
resolution
Sardesai.
can he ask? Without resolution can he process? Why is the government not doing, taking action? Transparent government म्हणटा आपण. Why he did it? I want to know. He's saying without resolution. Chairman and बरोयल म्हणून जायना. Chairman जायत बरयतलो आनी कितें जाय म्हणून. हो CEO जायत बरयतलो. There has to be a body resolution. It has to be clear. आनी कोणा रिटायर्ड मनशां हाडटींग दवरला.
Okay, yeah,
कित्याक?
correct.
All these people रिटायर्ड मनशां एक्सटेंशन नामू आमगे CM बाब मातालो ऑपोजिशन लिडर आसतना आत कित्याक घेताय तांकां?
परत परत तू तो शब्द वापरता इतली संवय जाल्ली आसा काय कितें तुका?
Speaker
हांगा
sir,
करता ते हांगा करपाची गरज ना. जय सरदेसाय.
Speaker sir, the Honorable Urban Development Minister has said that these are two diverse issues. I will ask a supplementary which is connected, both these diverse issues. One is, the issue pertains to tendering. 20 works were tendered, 14 of them have been told to you by 12 councillors of a 20-member body, which is the majority councillor, which is not a clerk. I agree with you on this. 12 members come to you and tell you that out of the 20 works, 14 are being duplicated. Now, my first question to you is, why do you go ahead with the tendering? And if you have gone ahead with the tendering, Speaker sir, 1 minute. Why do you not check up with the Division 6 of PWD and recast these estimates? Because we as MLAs have sanctioned or have proposed certain works which are the same works which are being tendered. Not only that, the municipality itself has completed these works. These come up with So this is not zero tolerance for corruption. Be firm on this.
स्पीकर सर, मेन
कोणती
प्रश्न
order?
टेंडर केलं
कित्याची?
वर्क ऑर्डर दिवंक ना.
वर्क ऑर्डर दिवं ना. अरे
work
कित्याक
order
दिवंक ना
दिवंक ना.
टेंडर? बंद कर न्ही तूं. टेंडर कित्याक घेवंक जाय आसलो?
स्पीकर सर,
करू शकना
Speaker sir.
कंप्लेन येतकच वर्क ऑर्डर दिवं नाका म्हणून सांगलें तोपर्यंत व्हेरीफाय करना
टेंडर कित्याक जाय? सेम काम कित्याक टेंडर करता तूं? पयलीं केला तें तुवें.
टेंडर झालो न्हू. स्पीकर सर, टेंडर
PWD टेंडर केला सेम नाव.
केली.
सेम नावाचे परते काम घेता तूं. This is corruption.
स्पीकर सर,
Not saying by you.
मस्त बसा केला. स्पीकर सर, वर्क टेंडर जाली, कंप्लेन मागीर येयली, हे काम सारखे करिना म्हणून काउन्सिल एन्क्वायरी करपा लागली. वर्क ऑर्डर दिवंक ना. करप्शन खंय येयलें?
Corruption? अरे काम सेम. Have you checked up with Division 6? I'm asking.
जय
you simple thing.
सरदेसाय.
Inquiry
You
is on,
address
I
to
told
me.
you.
You address to me.
Inquiry is
Speaker
on, I
sir.
told you, no.
Because here inquiry म्हणटा तातूंत हें कितें आहा?
Inquiry
Clear
सगळें
cut तांणी
केलें
बरयलें
न्हू.
आहा. तांणी जें कितें बरयलां तें म्हज्या हातान आहा. ते म्हणटात की PWD ही कामां केल्या. ओ पयलीं तांचीच म्युनिसिपालिटीन ही कामां केल्या. आतां स्पीकर सर, मिनिस्टरान रेफरन्स केलें 74th कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल अमेंडमेंट, स्थानीक स्वराज संस्था, आनी आमी तातूंत इंटरफियर जायनात म्हणून. आता हांव तांच्या आन्सराचेर एक आय एम ड्रॉइंग युअर अटेन्शन स्पीकर सर टू एन आन्सर which is of the part 2 of this question. He says the appointment is legal and with proper approval of the government. I would like to know from the minister, under the Municipalities Act of 1968, is it mandatory for a council to take a resolution to appoint such a man on contract basis? And who pays his salary? Do you pay it or does the council pay it? If the council is paying it, and if the council is not taking a resolution, how do you entertain and say it is legal? Then which case?
Okay.
Clearly it's illegal. You have to say this, that it is illegal.
Let him answer.
स्पीकर सर हे दोन प्रश्न ताका लागून हांव बरोबर आन्सर करूंक सोदिना
दोन्ही प्रश्न कनेक्टेड आहा
स्पीकर सर पयलो प्रश्न सांगता
कनेक्टेड आहा करप्शनाक
तर दिता न्ही
उलोवपाक दी बरं ताका.
टेंडर काढल्या उपरांत कंप्लेन येयली 12 कामां डुप्लिकेट जाता म्हणून चीफ ऑफिसर सांगले एन्क्वायरी कर म्हणून वर्क ऑर्डर दिवंक ना करप्शन खंय येयलें म्हाजे कडसून
तुझे कडच्यान
तर
म्हणटा आमी,
विजय
स्पीकर सर
बाब-
आमी करप
उलोवनी न्हू.
विजय बाब-
म्हणटा आमी
म्हाका
विजय बाब
न्हू,
सकल
एका
बस
मेंबरान
पयली.
म्हणलें कनायवन सांगा सर कनायवन खंय आहा तें दाखय न्हू म्हाका
Connivance म्हणीत ना आमी. I have not
ते
said
connivance
connivance.
किती हाडले?
Speaker sir, I have not said
उत्तर
connivance.
दिता
किती हाडले?
Speaker sir, point of order. He is answering me. He has said, I have never used the word connivance. How can you address me with that connivance? Speaker sir, you give a ruling on this. You can give a ruling on the wrong word, then how can he direct it to me? I have never used the word connivance. How can he address me that way?
म्हाका उलोवपाक दी स्पीकर सर टेंडर केलो वर्क्स अनाउन्स ई टेंडरिंग दे सादें मॅन्युअल टेंडरिंग न्हू ई टेंडरिंग गव्हर्मेंटाचे न्हू म्युन्सिपालिटी करता कंप्लेन येयली कावन्सिलरांची कामां डुप्लिकेट जाता म्हणून एन्क्वायरी कर म्हणून सांगली वर्क ऑर्डर दिवंक ना म्हणून प्रश्न खंय आहा एन्क्वायरीचो प्रश्न एन्क्वायरी चालू आहा डुप्लिकेट तर केला वर्क ऑर्डर गावची ना आनी प्रश्न दुसरो आहा की कायदेशीर कामां आहा ती कित्याक बंद करची
कायदेशीर कसली
उरलेली कामां कायदेशीर न्हू
अरे 14 14 म्हणजे
अय, सर कायदेशीर आहा.
70%
कायदेशीर आहा ते कित्याक करची
सोच कर मग टेंडर 14 कित्याक केली तुवें
14 पण तरी आता
Arithmetic
असं बंद
उलोवया
करपाची गरज ना
स्पीकर सर 20तली 14 ही जर आमकां दिश्टी पडना जाल्यार वी हॅव गॉट समथिंग व्हेरी क्लियरली रॉंग आय होप चीफ मिनिस्टर लुक्स इन टू
बरं बरं श्री दिगंबर
दिस
कामत
इज अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ करप्शन सेम कामाक दोनदा पैसे घेतात आणि दिस इज नॉट झिरो टॉलरन्स यू हॅव टू इंटरव्हीन इन दिस
दिगंबर कामत
Speaker sir, when the complaint was made by the councillors to the honorable minister and the director of municipal admin, it was before chief minister also. It was before e-tendering, before e-tendering, not after tendering. Before e-tendering, minister was perfect. I agree with his viewpoint that he gave directions to the chief officer that you hold an proper inquiry before e-tendering. Before e-tendering, why there was no need to e-tender so fast? When the minister says that you hold an inquiry, verify all the estimates. He has not told them to stop. He said you verify all the estimates. Has that verification has been done before e-tendering? What heavens would have fallen if that e-tendering was delayed by 10 days and you verified? So your instructions, what I am saying, your instructions should have been followed by the chief officer. Chief officer should have verified everything and then gone for e-tendering. Now they have done the e-tendering, right? Now you are saying that they will not give
Work order.
First, you find out also what procedure they are doing today for those 20 works. Why they didn't do it before e-tendering? This is my one request. Second, at least now you tell them to verify all the 20 works with the executive engineer of PWD Division 6, because that division has undertaken lots of works as per our estimates. So there should not be any duplication. This is the second thing which I would request you to handle.
स्पीकर सर मरगांव म्युनिसिपल कावन्सिलाचो 31/5/13 प्रपोजल येयल्लो विथ अ कॉपी ऑफ द रेजोल्युशन ऑफ द कावन्सिल रेजोल्युशन ऑफ कावन्सिल ही कामां ग्रांट्स दिवचे म्हणून
I'm not, Speaker sir,
नो
I'm
नो
not going
I'll tell you the sequence
No.
I
Sequence before tender, sequence after tender.
Speaker
That's all.
sir,
Yes, sir, boss.
I have specifically
Yes,
said
sir.
Sequence
that
is
when the
उलोवपाक दिना आयकोंक सोदिना आनी ते उलयता ते खरें रे
लेट द मिनिस्टर आन्सर
no, I am asking him, I have said that whatever instructions has given by him were also correct. I am not saying he has given wrong instructions. My only thing is when you gave instructions, why your instructions were not followed before the e-tendering was undertaken. And second, now at least before issuing of work orders, whether they will verify from the division 6 of the PWD if there is any duplication of work.